Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix all Explorer.exe errors in Windows 11. So guys, to resolve this problem, just follow some easy steps. Right click on Start and open Task Manager. Now guys, in this list you have to find out Windows Explorer, this one. So double click on it and click on Restart. So guys, this easy and simple method will work and resolve all problems. Still you are facing error, so you can try another method. Click on Start, type CMD, right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now guys, here type sfc space slash scan now, then press enter. Now guys, it will take a couple of minutes, so wait till this processor will be complete. And once this scanning will complete, restart your PC or laptop. And after restart, hopefully guys, Explorer.exe errors will be fixed in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.